right, y'all, let's pray I can get this video done in one take. And scene. All right, y'all, hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video, and what I'm showing you guys is my December Cocotique bag, and this is my last bag. We'll get to that in the end, but how ironic, last bag of the year and my last bag. So let's get into it and see what we have. This is the card. It's saying Holiday Takeover Box, Cocotique, and Seeds. I can't eat Phytunu. I don't know what that is, but this is the card. This is what the card is looking like. And so it says, feeds Phytunu nutrients is, it says, we believe the clean beauty is synonymous with healthy living. How you feel and what you choose to put into and on your body are more important than the way you look. Our vegan hair products are formulated with coconut, sunflower, and camellia seed oil, shea butter, turmeric, and many more nourishing naturals. The potent ingredients are rich in hair nutrients like fatty acids, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And antioxidant helps neutralize free radicals to keep hair healthy and strong. All right, then it says the importance of seeds. We're not going to get into all that. Y'all want to see what I got in this bag, and y'all want to know why this is my last bag. So, first things first, I have the Seeds Gentle Facial Cleanser. It says supporting different American farmers who grow our camellia and sunflower seeds. And this is for all skin types. This Gentle Facial Cleanser is $28 for its full size, which is 8.5 ounces. And that's what we have here. This is a full size 8.5 ounces. It says this vegan gentle facial cleanser contains no sulfates, no harsh chemicals, makes it perfect for everyday use, packed with key nourishing ingredients like sunflower seed and camellia seed oils. This cleanser helps to maintain skin hydration while removing makeup and oil. So this is basically just your basic face cleanser. It doesn't look like it's doing anything more or less than what a typical face cleanser would do. Next, we have the AntiFreeze shampoo with smoothing jojoba seed oil for frizz-prone hair. This shampoo is $18 for 8.5 fluid ounces. It says this vegan AntiFreeze shampoo formulated for frizz-prone hair or hard-to-manage hair provides a gentle, nourishing cleanse without the use of harsh chemicals or sulfates. Organic jojoba seed oil, rich in vitamins and fatty acids, help to nourish and strengthen hair, creating beautiful smoothness and healthy shine. So that's the shampoo. And they come in these like recyclable bottles. This one looks like it's coming loose, but it looks like it has this packaging, which is kind of cute. It's a nice packaging. I'm not mad at it. Now we have the AntiFrizz conditioner. Same thing with smoothing jojoba seed oil for frizz-prone hair. This is $18, and this is a full size 8.5 fluid ounces. It says frizz-prone hair just met its match with organic jojoba seed oil and a unique amino acid complex. Our nourishing vegan AntiFrizz conditioner helps replenish keratin to strengthen and protect hard to manage or frizzy hair. What do they mean by hard to manage? They keep saying hard to manage. What does that mean? Like, they could have been a little bit more specific about that. What does hard to manage mean? Next, we have the moisturizer. This body moisturizer is $18 for 8.5 fluid ounces, so you're getting a full size. It says this vegan body moisturizer designed for normal to dry skin features 3 nutrient-rich seed oils, coconut, and shea butter. This skin-nourishing ingredients comes together in a lightweight formula that absorbs quickly, giving skin a dose of softening moisture, complete with a subtle scent of sea salt and bergamot. Now I want to know how it smells. It smells like a hair product. Honestly, it smells like a hair product I've tried. It smells like Blue Magic hair grease. That's what this smells like. That's what I'm getting. But this is $18 again for a full size, and it comes in this recycled packaging. And the last thing that we have is also by this brand, and it is a AntiFreeze smoothing cream. This is $19 and you get 2.5 fluid ounces. This vegan AntiFreeze smoothing cream harness the power of organic jojoba seed oil. I don't know why I want to skip the seed. This vegan AntiFreeze smoothing cream harness the power of organic jojoba seed oil and shea butter to tame even the most frizz-prone, here they go again, hard to manage hair. What is hard to manage hair? Like, what does that mean? Just distribute evenly through your hair from ends to root for a clean and smooth finish. And this is what it's looking like. This is kind of an interesting packaging if you ask me for a hair cream. Like somebody whose hair is longer and thicker, they will probably have to squeeze this whole thing in one trial size. So now that y'all seen what I got, let's talk about why this is my last Cocotique bag. I like Cocotique. I've enjoyed all my boxes. I can count on my hand how many boxes or bags I've gotten that I just was not a fan of. However, I decided to cancel my subscription because I'm getting a lot of products. I'm getting way too many products and I'm not using them. I'm giving them away. It's been times I've practically given away whole bags just about because I'm getting products that I have either no interest in, I definitely just don't want to use, or it just won't work for me. So I am particular about the type of hair products that I use for my hair. And so with that being said, I would rather take that money and just go out and buy the product that I actually want to try or that I actually want and use it, as opposed to getting products that for the most part I know I'm not going to want, I'm not going to use, I necessarily don't want, and I got products just all over the house that I'm not using because I have no interest in it, or it's just not something that I want. Aside from that, with my BoxyCharm box, I get a lot of skincare. So when I get, and it's more higher end skincare, so sometimes the skincare that I get from Cocotique, I just don't, I already have something that's of a better quality that I just don't want to use what they've given me. Not to say that, you know, I'm not using nothing. It's just that it just seems that when I get these bags, I'm gravitating towards maybe 1 or 2 products when you're getting a bag of 5 or more products. So that means you have 3 or more products just sitting around that you're not using. So for that, I have decided to cancel my subscription with Cocotique. I wish them well. I will still be looking at some of my other subbies who get it and seeing what they got and enjoying it through them. But as for me and my house, we will not be getting any more Cocotique bags. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.